You can see it works wonderfully. I'm super happy with it. I would recommend it to anybody that has curly hair and difficulty blowing it out. Super great product. I'm a super fan.
As you can see, the bristles are completely worn down. This is the second time I've used this dryer. The first time was in the US, second time internationally, and all the bristles are worn down. It gets high in temperature, and that's probably what caused this. So dangerous.
So here is the product. I thought it would be bigger. I love the size. It feels very sturdy in my hands. And once you plug it in, you can choose the heat intensity. And I swear I can get through my whole head of hair in about 5 minutes.